In this video, we're going to be showing you a few taping techniques to make your life a whole lot easier when you're doing lashes. Now, if you've already started doing lashes on quite a few different clients and started to pick up on different eye types, once you've put on your eye pads and taped up the eyes, you'll notice that some people have more difficult eyes to lash than others. So the first technique we have here is lift. Any lashes that are sitting too flat on the eye pad. So with this technique, you will find that you'll have some clients where their eyelashes are sitting very, very flat on your iPad. It makes it very difficult to attach any lashes without getting them stuck to the iPad and getting any glue stuck between their eyelash and the iPad, and everything can just get stuck together. Now, when you get quite experienced, you might start to find that you use your ring finger to slightly lift as you go when you're working, but particularly in the beginning, a really great way to just lift very slightly the eyelids back is to apply tape like we have here in the picture next to the lift section, to just ever so slightly drag back the eyelid and create a little bit of lift there. The main thing to be careful of with this technique is that you don't have any of the eye showing. So you want to have a look underneath once you've applied down your tape and make sure that their eye is still completely closed to avoid any glue or fumes getting in the eye. You just want to get a 0.5 millimeter of lift just to bring it up off the iPad. And the second technique that we're going to show you in the videos after this slide is the spread, which is any lashes that are bunched together. So the other thing you might have noticed on clients is that some people's eyelashes are really straight and they're very easy to isolate. And some people have very bunched up lashes where they all cross over each other and it's like a jungle, and it's very difficult to get anything separated, particularly on the very inner corners. So to apply the tape directly across the eyelid and gently stretch it out to the side, which is the spread, it creates them to just fan out beautifully so that it's much easier to apply your lashes. So we'll take you over to our videos. So we are starting here with the spread. You can see we've applied the tape directly parallel with the eyelashes and we're stretching straight out to the side. So this will help you spread any bunched up lashes. Now, you're not going to lift like we're showing you here in the video. You're going to stretch straight out to the side, keeping the tape parallel with the eyelashes. And here we are zoomed in. I really want you to watch those inner corner lashes. Have a look at how much they're bunched over each other when there's no pressure on the tape, and how when we pull the tape back out again, everything fans out beautifully, leaving you heaps of room for your isolation. And now for the lift technique. You can apply the tape anywhere across the iPad, more towards the middle or more towards the outer corner, and you just ever so slightly are going to lift the eyelid with the tape, only about 1 millimeter. This is to lift any flat lashes that are sitting too flat on the iPad. So as you can see here in the video, you can move the tape if you like and have it anywhere from the inner corner to the middle or towards the outer corner for some lift. Now, as I come here underneath the eye, I want you to see how here, where you can see the person's eye, this is not what you want to do. Fumes from the glue are going to get into the eye and irritate the client. You want to make sure, just like here, you absolutely cannot see any of their eye underneath. It's just the tiniest millimeter of lift that you want to go for. Now here we're going to zoom in for you again so you can see properly. You just apply your tape straight back and you lift directly straight back, and as you were working you would stick the tape down completely, obviously, so you don't need to hold it while you're doing the lashes. So here we are again, moving the tape to a different area of the eye, so you can move it around as you're working through your set of eyelashes. Here we're showing you where you can actually see the person's eye, so this is what you don't want to do. Here we're more correctly just lifting the millimeter ever so slightly so you can't see any of the person's eye underneath, just like this, just for a bit of lift. This client isn't the perfect model because her eyelashes actually aren't sitting flat on the iPad. She's not somebody you would need to do this with, but this is just an example to show you of what you would do in that situation. So we hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you all in the next one.